What's up, guys? This is Walker with the Car Guys YouTube channel. We have a 2022 Ford Explorer Timberline edition. So this is the off-road inspired Explorer that Ford has come out with in the past year. So starting off with the front, you do have your Timberline specific grille up at the front. As we come forward, you do see that front camera on the front. You do have the LED rings, you've got the tow hooks, and you do have these nice fog lights at the bottom. Coming around to the side, you notice those off-road tires that are on these black aluminum painted rims. Very nice look that we have going on here. And we'll give you a close-up right here. Coming up, you do see your Timberline specific badging. This is a four-wheel drive vehicle, so very capable. One of the top capability Explorers that we do have here. On the back, you do get your backup camera, and you do get the backup parking sensors as well, along with your tow hitch on the back with the 4 and 7 pin connectors. And we'll pop the back for you. Click of a button, you've got the hatch opening up. Plenty of space in the back for storage, whatever you need to do, different tie down points. And these seats, they do fold up very easily. Just a pull of this and they're locked into place. Very nice. And then we'll close it up by pressing the button, and we'll go ahead and start it up for you. We'll show you the back first before we move to the front. You do have the captain chairs and also the Timberline design for the interior. Very nice sunroof for these beautiful sunny days here at J.C. Lewis Ford in Statesboro. Coming up to the front, you do have your keyless entry pad right here. Power seating. And then you see the Timberline badging on the back of the seats right there. You do have your lighting options here. And we'll go ahead and start this thing up. So looking to the steering wheel here, you do notice that this does have adaptive cruise control, has lane centering technology, and also has your lane keep over here. Those operate out of the camera, out of your front, or the top windshield right here. It makes your Explorer very safe. One of the safest on the road today. So we'll pan through the drive modes that we have down here. You have normal, slippery, trail, deep snow sand, and you've got eco, sport for more performance based driving, and then you got your tow haul mode to go with that hitch in the back. We'll put it back in eco. Panning down here, that was the drive mode knob that I was just spinning, and you do have different options down here. You have your shift dial here, your different USB and micro USB hookups that are compatible with your Apple CarPlay. Make your phone calls, look at your maps, do what you need to do. Push to start, different audio and climate controls. This does have the tri-level heated seating for the front row, as well as the heated steering wheel. And check this out. Full manual, and you can also go on your screen here and check that out. It makes it very convenient. And then these are the controls for your sunroof up at the top. I think that I've covered everything today, and it was a pleasure checking out this very nice Explorer Timberline. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment. This was Walker Paul Tires today. We got Jake Fry in Savannah, the Car Guys YouTube channel. Subscribe now.